Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my very first mechanical keyboard. So I'm pretty excited about this. We'll take a look real quick. This is a keyboard that I've been using for about 3 years now. It's a little cheap $10 Microsoft keyboard that I got at like Best Buy. And believe it or not, I've actually really liked this keyboard. I'm not throwing it out, it still works great. But I just feel like it was time to upgrade and get something that had some LED lights and was mechanical and had that nice clicky sound, which is why I went with a blue switch. Now this doesn't have the Cherry MX blue, it has the, and I may not be pronouncing this right, the Kailh or Kailh blue switch, but from what I understand they're fairly similar. The Cherry MX is supposed to be a little bit better. But I actually got this on sale. I was at Fry's Electronics and I got them to price match Walmart.com, so I was able to get it about $35 off. That plus it had some pretty good reviews online and has some really great looking LEDs, and the demo one they had there at the store had a really good feel to it whenever I was typing on it. So hopefully I don't have any problems with this one, as I did read a few reviews on Newegg that said they had dead keys, but I'm hoping that that's just a case of, you know, anytime someone has a problem they're going to run to the forums and run to the reviews and tell you about it. But people that don't have problems, they just use their keyboard and they generally don't give as many positive reviews. So I'm hoping that that's the case and that this bad boy works flawlessly. I would hate to have to take it back. Yeah, so without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. But before I do, let me just kind of give you an idea of what the box looks like. It's a really good looking box, to be honest. It's got kind of a shiny and matte kind of stripe design going on. And it kind of really gives you a good idea of what the keyboard looks like. I'm not exactly sure of what the best way to open this is going to be. I think maybe just slide it out from the side. Okay, looks like that's going to be the best idea. Alright, so basically we got a box within a box. So we can set this aside. And now we can have a real unboxing here. I'm excited. Alright. Moment of truth. And there we have it. Pretty standard. I like that they had it was 2 boxes, and that it comes with a pretty thick amount of foam padding there, so you're making sure that, you know, it's not getting banged around when they're shipping it. So that's always good to see that they took care to do that. Looks like we have the user guide there. Not sure what that is. Alright. So it looks like there's not a whole lot to it. You just have this little cardboard piece kind of holding in the cord. And here we have the detachable palm rest and the key remover, and that's it. There's not a whole lot of little extras or frills with this keyboard. Go ahead and get the plastic off this bad boy, let it breathe. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what kind of clickiness we got. Oh, that is music to my ears. Oh, I love that sound. Reminds me of the old school early 90s keyboards that were in the computer labs at my school. Reminds me of all the movies I used to watch that had people, you know, hacking away on the keyboard. So that's awesome. Yeah, So it looks like we have a very solid build. I'm going to do a full review after I've had a chance to play a few different games with it and do some typing and really let you guys know what my final thoughts are on it. But yeah, for now, that was a pretty simple unboxing for a pretty simple keyboard. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.